Welcome to 502 Model College, girls. This is physics assignment for class 9th. Question number 1. Choose the correct option. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is called its heat energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy. A moving car possesses sound energy, mechanical energy, heat energy, chemical energy. Plant or animal waste that can be burned as a fuel is called biomass, biochemical, magma, bimetallic. The temperature rise in the environment that disturbs the life is called water pollution, nuclear pollution, thermal pollution, traffic pollution. The energy coming from the sun for the last billions of years is the result of heat reaction, nuclear reactions, molecular reaction, potential reactions. The interconvection of matter and energy is predicted by Newton, Einstein, Jones-Burgi, Abu Jafar. The energy coming directly from the magma is called mechanical energy, geothermal energy, heat energy, electrical energy. As the rain falls, the potential energy changes to thermal energy, chemical energy, kinetic energy, nuclear energy. The energy present in a body due to its height is called gravitational kinetic energy, gravitational potential energy, altitude energy, gravitational energy. During interconvection of energy, the total energy remains constant, increases, decreases, becomes zero. 1 horsepower is equal to 790 watts, 700 watts, 720 watts, 746 watts. Fossil fuels are non-renewable energy sources, renewable energy sources, reliable, non-reliable. Fossil fuels are usually ethanol, mercury, potassium nitrate, hydrocarbons. The smallest change a sensitive beam balance can record is 100 mg, 10 mg, 50 mg, 1 mg. When a standard is set for a quantity, then a standard quantity is called amount, rate, prefixes, unit. As the second in a day can be written in the standard form as 864 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5, 86.4 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5, 8640 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5, 8.64 multiplied by 10 raised to power 5 seconds. By converting 3700,000 watt into the kilowatt, we get 3.7 watt, 3.7 kilowatt, 3700 kilowatt, 37,000 kilowatt, 37 kilowatt. And the interval of the 300 microsecond is equal to 0.3 second, 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 4 second, 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6 second, 0.03 seconds. The number 0.0000548 can be represented in the scientific notation as 5.48, 548, 5.48 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 5, 54.8. In screw gauge, the distance between the consecutive thread on the spindle is 0.5 mm, 0.01 mm, 0.01, 0.1 mm and 1 mm. The least count of the digital stopwatch is 0.2 second, 0.1 second, 0.3 second, 0.01 second. Zeros used for the spacing the decimal points are non-significant, significant, imaginary, negative. A refrigerator is made on the principle of heat, atomic physics, plasma physics, thermodynamics. The unit which is not derived is called Newton, kilogram, watt, Pascal. The science deal with the study of non-living things are known as physical science, formula science, biological science, fundamental science. Question number 2. Write the answer of the following questions. When work is said to be negative, also give example. What is the unit of the work done? Also define and explain. Define power. Also define its unit. How can we get energy from the fossil fuels? Write a note on energy from the biomass. Give one example of interconvection of energy. What is the kinetic energy? Derive its relation. Write the rules to find the significant figures. What is stopwatch? Also write the least count of the mechanical stopwatch. Why zero error correction is necessary in the measurements? How do prefixes micro, nano and pico related to each other? What is the Vernier constant? How is precision related to significant figure related to the measured quantity? Which is more accurate mass measuring balance and why? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.